In this video, you will learn how to professionally Photoshop a picture to represent different design ideas. Let's crop the top part of the image out and make the image size close to a standard image size. Since the task is to prepare for a visual stimulus for experimental study, we want to keep those colors and details not part of the study less noticeable. We need to change the accent color, which is greenish blue of this space, more like gray, kind of muted. Let's select the colored area using Magic Wand and change the tone to be less saturated. Go to Image and Adjustments and find the Hue Saturation to change the hue and saturation levels of the selected area. But we still see the remaining colors around the object. So let's get rid of these by selecting only the area containing the colors. And then this time we'll go to Image Adjustments and the Hue Saturation and change greens and cyan to be almost gray. Looks pretty good, but I see another element that I want to get rid of. Using different tools such as clone stamp, smudge, and blur tools, we almost did the plastic surgery to hide the element, the ribbon one. This process can be time consuming. If you have high standard, it may take longer. Now it looks more like a flying makeup. If you're trying to do well, then it takes longer. Now you can see if you are taking a picture before photoshopping, it's better to control the environment so that you don't have to Photoshop. So it may take a very long time to do a good job in Photoshop to edit. Here is before and after. Let's get to our primary task. Let's define the main area of manipulation using lasso tool. Unlock the layer and then cut the area we selected using lasso tool and paste. This process automatically creates a new layer for you. By pressing up and down arrow keys or left right arrow keys, place the area, the exact location, and then go find the image you want to replace and download and open in Photoshop. Go to Select and select all, or Control A to select entire image, and then come back to our room, and then go to the original image layer with the empty space, and go edit and paste special and paste into. Now we have the image in the room inside the frame, but that's not the whole image. So we need to go to transform, and using distort tool, make it smaller, and also make it looking 3D looking, which means all these horizontal lines should converge into the same vanishing point with the picture of the room. This is an important process. Once the image is transformed and it's looking 3D, the next step is to adjust the color tone. Try brightness and contrast under image menu, and also adjustment hue saturation. One more special step, we like to keep the lighting effect from the original image. So go to the cut piece, and then we will remove the colors and details from that wall, but still keep the lighting and shadow effect there. Try different layer options for the effect layer, and then adjust the color tones of the new image layer. And I decide to go with the multiply for the effect layer and adjust the color tone a little bit. As the final step, apply the filter and blur effect so that the image wouldn't look too sharp compared to the rest of the room image, and then save as a PNG file. Let's do the same steps with another image. This is the image, and go to Photoshop, open the image file, and then select all and copy, and go to our template PSD file, and then hide the previous image, which is green tone nature. Let's repeat the steps with the new image. Background layer, and select the empty area with the magic wand, and then paste special, paste into, and then transform using distort, so that it's going to look 3D, and you have the entire image. Transform the image and then adjust the color tone. They are the most important processes to create this room with a new image looking together as a realistic photo. So take enough time to get it perfect. Remember, the horizontal lines of the image should match and align with the converging lines of the photo of the room. They share one vanishing point. Now it's done. Let's save the image as a PNG file so that you don't lose image quality as you save and modify and save over and over. This is it. Thanks for watching.